So welcome back guys. So we are going to solve this question again in Python in some bit logical code or one liner code. Okay, so the basic logic is same, that we have to find the sum, and from that sum we have to subtract minimum and maximum value that we have seen in our last question, means same question that we solved with our C. Okay, now we are going to solve this with Python. Okay, because we want to reduce our coding lines. So where is our Python 3? Okay, so this is our Python 3. So here they are taking all the inputs and they are passing this ARR list to minimax sum. Okay, so here now, as I have said that we have to find the sum. Okay, so for finding sum, okay, I will write the code. So here now I have to print, means we have to print like this na, minimum sum of 4 numbers and maximum sum of 4 numbers. So here I will directly write print. Here I will take two curly braces and here I will format my output. Okay, format. In this case now, for the first output I have to find sum minus maximum number of the list. Okay, so for finding sum, here I will directly write sum function, because there is inbuilt function in Python that if we pass our list to the sum, then it will return the sum of all elements from that list. Okay, now from that I have to minus maximum number of that list. Okay, so I will find using max function, I will find maximum number. So this was for our first parameter. Okay, so I will draw a bracket for this. Okay, so I have made bracket for our first curly brace. Now I have to find my second value. Okay, my second value is, we have to find sum minus minimum number. Okay, so for that here I will again write that uh, sum of all elements from ARR minus minimum number of that array. Okay, I will check the parentheses, all parentheses are okay or not. Yeah, I think parentheses are good. Okay, so here why it was giving error, I think last parenthesis was missing. Yeah, the last parenthesis of print was missing. Okay, I will directly submit the code, we'll see what is happening. So I think it should work fine, but I think because of my net issue it will give up.